Hello. Uh, this is a guide to how to use a reference manager for uh, the bibliography in research articles or whatever you use. So uh, here I will show you how to use Mendeley reference manager for your scientific work. Okay. So here, first of all, you have to install Mendeley reference manager, which is this one. Okay, this is the interface of the Mendeley reference manager, but you have to download the 1.19.8 version of the Mendeley desktop. Okay, okay. Then there are two ways to use this. Okay, so if you are using the MS Word and LaTeX. So in LaTeX it is very easy, and Mendeley it is little longer. Okay, so it is a little longer way. The thing is you have to install it, then you have to install um, another software which is Microsoft Site in Word. Mm, not no, it's Mendeley, 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 not this one. Mendeley site in your Microsoft Store. So you have to install it from here. Okay, then come to MS Word, make a new file here. Okay, okay, uh, article. Okay, and then title at introduction. Suppose you have to cite something here. So for that, I have downloaded a research paper here. This one. So this is a research paper. I don't know whose paper is this, but okay. I will use this one. Okay. I will show you how to use a reference manager. So suppose I will make a new file, paste article. Okay. Here, just grab here. Okay. I have drag and drop the article from my folder to the Mendeley. Now I will go to MS Word, come to the references tab, Mendeley site. Okay, then uh, you can update. No, sorry. Sync. You have to synchronize the update here. Okay, the new articles you have added. Once it is completed, you can proceed. Okay, so okay, now it is completed. Now we can update our library from online library, and here if we can see here uh, test article, it came here. Now if I want to cite this paper here in the introduction, suppose the optimal control go to group and insert citation here. Now, since I have previously selected the IEEE format of the bibliography, so that's why it is in the format of here IEEE. Okay, so I want to change this from IEEE to APA. So I can change it here. Okay, I can change it here. So this now here, uh, I want to put my references here. Come here and insert a bibliography. Okay. If I want to change the citation style, come here and IEEE use. Now it has changed automatically. This is one way to add a paper in the mendeley reference manager. Update the library and it will update here. Then cite your paper or whatever you have, you can cite it here. Secondly, if you don't have a paper and you know a paper and but you don't have in that time and you only know uh, and you only know the DOI, then you can use, suppose, um, remote control, remote control plus five, 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 everything, okay, yeah, you come here. You can use this article. Let me just copy the DOI from here. Copy. I don't need the whole article. Come here. Right click. Add manually. DOI. Paste it here. Search. You have all the details here. Sales. Synchronization. Okay. Now update your library here. Here it comes. Now I also cite this paper. This one. See, it will update automatically the references and the style. Okay. The style I have, for example, this one. Change the style. Everything will be changed. So this is how we can use the Mendeley reference manager. This is how to use it in MS Word. But what if we want to use this these references in the LaTeX environment? Then what we can do is to just select all these, Control A, and right click on this, export. Here it will automatically, the extension is bibliography, bib. So just copy this, paste it here, it will be reference. Okay, here, here I have both the big text entries here. So just use the mendeley. It will work in the MS Word, and at the same time you can use all these references in LaTeX. So it is very easy and free and lightweight. Okay, so if you want to request me how to use these references in LaTeX, you can just comment and or contact me for how to use these references in LaTeX. Thank you so much.